Si Butch Maniego was in the dugout kanina. Sinubukan niyang kapain Dr. J, no, as we've done dito sa ating mga championship. Si Butch Maniego po with this report from the Pure Foods dugout. Butch?
Sabi ni Coach Eric Altamirano, yung storm ng Gordons noong first half sa tingin niya ay lilipas din. Ang nabanggit din ni Sunny Cabato, yung veteran teammate ng Pure Foods, sabi niya, huwag kayong magpapadala dahil ganyan talaga ang laro ng Gordons. Now, according also to Coach Eric Altamirano, the objective of the team will be to cut the lead to 8 points at the end of the third period. Ngayon, lipat tayo sa inyo, Chino.
Okay, maraming salamat, Butch. At doon, Dr. J, makikita mo yung hindi mo pwedeng i-overhaul yung 15-point lead in just one shot. No? So, dahan-dahan pala sila.
And they will go to Patrimonio right away, but that's a good offensive rebound by Evangelista. Naipit lamang siya, pero there's a foul called against him.
Okay, tignan natin ngayon sa Pure Food side. Narinig natin. Sa Gordons, kaya anong pinag-uusapan? Leading sila. Tuwa na ba sila sa game nila? Anthony?
Well, Chino, sabi ni Coach Robert Jaworski sa mga players niya, sabi niya, I'm very pleased with the intensity. The intensity is there, and your grit is also there. Continue that in the second half. What they did also is they started reviewing yung mga offensive patterns nila, which obviously the Gordons Gin Boars are more familiar with right now. Maganda yung pinapakita na sa opensa. He broke the huddle by saying, labas tayo ron. Remember, mag-usap lang kayo at magsakripisyo tayo. Chino?
Alam mo, isang player na hindi pa nagagamit dito that has really been playing well has been Benny Cheng. He's the only player, and then Michael Ortilas, who have not been used in the ball game. Pero because I think even though Gayoso has 4 personal fouls, he continues to stay in the ball game.
Ito si Gayoso sa gilid. At si Benny Cheng, marami nga nagsasabi, Dr. J, nandun sa yung mga beeper natin, yung tumawag nun, yung beeper sa ating courtesy of Mobileye, na gusto nila sana maglaro ng mas mahaba si Benny Cheng. As we see, Marlo Aquino missing. It's a 14-point lead para sa kanyang kapunan.
Well, Evangelista wanting to attack Gayoso right away. Medyo may advantage siya dyan sa height.
Bong Ravena is open. Floater ni Bong Ravena is
Yes.
down to 12.
You cannot say. Alam mo, may nakita na akong mga games. I've seen a lot of games. 15 points in one quarter. Hindi pa tapos yung quarter na overall na yan. So, you know, Gordons has just got to continue to play attacking. Katulad nun, they've had opportunities to shoot the 3-point shot. They passed it up on their previous
Yun ang
offense.
bumuhay sa kanila
Yeah.
kanina, no, Dr. J? Ito si Vince Sison. Inatake si Tindo Pomaren at kahit nandun ang depensa ng Pure Foods, dinaanan ni Vince Sison. Si Vince Sison playing one of his better games dito sa serye.
Yeah, because he's making the points when they need it. It's not when you make the points, you get 20 points and the game is already over as early as the third quarter. No? This is making the points when the other team is putting pressure on you. Atake na naman si Evangelista.
Papanda ni Jericho Diniera. He does that so well, Dr. J. Si Jericho Diniera nakakadampot ng kanyang ika-12 puntos to lead the Pure Foods attack.
Maganda rin yung ginawa doon ni Ray Evangelista dahil hindi niya pinuwersa. Binalik niya sa kanyang isang kampi.
Ito si Palpal. Noli Locsin forcing the issue. Hindi pwede yun sapagkat naka-establish sa posisyon. Andito si Bong Ravena. Up and under move pero ayun yung tumira. Good decision.
Well, yan rin ang advantage of having a 2-0 lead in the series. No, you can be afford to be patient of what Pure Foods is doing. They're not rushing the things.
The loose ball foul has been slapped. This one on Ray Evangelista, 55-43. Biggest lead of the ball game kanina was at 22 sa score ng 50-28. Si Benny Cheng hasn't been used in this ball game. Katulad nga na sinabi natin doon sa game number 2, maraming nagsitawag sa atin doon sa ating post-game show saying na Benny Cheng deserves more minutes inside the court.
Yeah, he's got a nice sure ball shot from the corner and also from top of the key. There's a 3-point shot by Gayoso. Not this time, and Patrimonio taps the ball out. Pinapasa niya kay Evangelista who wasn't aware that the captain was tapping it to him. 12-point lead, 9 minutes and 33 seconds left in the third quarter.
Ito si Marlo Aquino. Vince Sison, this one is way off. Kita mo na agad sa linya, Dr. J. Paling doon sa ating angulo. They go to Patrimonio. Ito, Guess Locsin. Tatalikod na si Patrimonio. Alam mo nang handa nang umatake yan.
But still a little too far away from the basket, so he's gonna kick the ball out. Jerry again, libre. Pasok na naman.
Patay kayo kay Jericho Diniera. Si Jericho Diniera now with his 14th point of the ball game. A near interception. And Gordons has to take care of that ball. And a quick timeout. Hiningi ni Sunny Jaworski. Dr. J, bihira kong makita si Sunny Jaworski reacting that way. No? He called an early timeout dahil alam niyang beleaguered ang kanyang kupunan. His lead is down to 10 points.
Yeah, you know, that's not a very safe lead at all. It's still a lead, but it's not safe. And Pure Foods defense is beginning to pick up. 3-point shot by, wala na naman. And that has hurt them. Hindi na pumapasok yung tira from the outside.
And Pure Foods smells blood. Sila ngayon ang nag-set ng tempo. They're dictating the tempo dito sa third quarter. Patrimonio back to the basket. Now
Hindi na
facing-
magdo-double team ang Gordons because if they do, Patrimonio's got to swing that. Jerry's gonna be wide open again there.
Ito, sinapalpal sa ilalim and a foul on JV Gayoso. That's his 5th personal foul. So major foul trouble and Benny Cheng now off the bench. Yun lang pala iniintay makapulot ng pang-5 para paltan, Dr. J.
You know, we talk about the press. There has never been a press from Gordons. They've never done that. And that's the reason why Pure Foods really has so much time to set their half-court game. They're so patient with their half-court game. They have the time to move from the ball from strong side to weak side and get a penetrating ball.
Alam mo, nandun yun sa game story natin about yung press. Wala man lang ginagawa ang kupunan ng Gordons to disrupt yung play ng Pure Foods. They're giving Pure Foods everything. No? Kumbaga, sige, gusto nyo tumira sa harap namin, tumira kayo.
They're not that kind of a team, but they certainly have the material in the backcourt to really force a lot of turnovers on the other team or make them at least worry. But this time, the lead is down to 8 right now and you cannot sit on this lead. Ayan ang Pure Foods. Continuous trapping, continuous pressing, continuous disturbance of the plays. Benny Cheng.
Masyado malakas ang pasa but Marlo Fielding. Ito, gusto ko to. Umiikot ang yung bola. May mga nakakahawak para sa Gordons. They're not trying to stand and just watch yung nangyayari. They're moving. Ang dapat nilang gawin against Pure Foods when there's a trap, Dr. J, di ba kailangan constant motion ng offense?
And when you do the constant motion, you will expose the illegal defense that the other team is doing. If not, they will not see that.
Ayan, katulad ngayon, Dr. J, naipit nila ng illegal defense dahil galaw sila ng galaw.
Hindi sumusunod yung defensive player, naka-box.
Nag-iintay,
Oh,
nag-iintay na may maikukulong, kaya trap ang tawag natin dyan. And Vince Season nailing the technical free throw. Si Patrimonio, Dr. J, nung game number 2, pinatay niya yung Gordon sa second half from 6 points. From 6 points in the first half, he exploded for 18. At sobra-sobrang kanyang nilaro dyan sa second half na yan. Will he be the same second half hero para sa Pure Foods this game?
Well, they have to fight that defense that Gordon is throwing against Patrimonio also. Medyo pinatatanggap siya sa labas pero dinadouble team. They're forcing him to give up the ball.
Marlo Aquino is open. Marlo Aquino, dadak sana, but nasupalpal sa ibabaw. Titira niya uli, dinokma. And Marlo Aquino now feeling the pressure. Dunk yun, Dr. J. A legitimate dunk. Binura ni Ray Evangelista. Ito, the
Challenge.
erasure, you're erased.
Yeah.
Sabi ni Ray Evangelista kay Marlo Aquino.
That was a great lead there by Ray Evangelista. So, still a 9-point lead. Aquino did not make his free throw shots in the first quarter. Let's see, in first half, let's see what happens here in the second half.
He makes his first free throw. At least hindi sa naapektuhan nung
Dito, wala eh. Dito medyo
wala
kakampi nila.
nanggugulo. Hindi kasi Gordon side na to.
Medyo kakampi niya rito.
Unless magpalit-palit sila ng upuan. Pero malabo yun. Baka magdunggulan yung mga fans dito.
Yan ang diferensya kung sa NBA, di ba? You have to play in the home court of the team. Kahit kaliwa ka na doon sa
Pero
tuluan,
makalaban.
tama ka dyan.
Naalala ko yun, meron si Larry Bird nung kasikatan niya. Para mabiso nila si Larry Bird, nag-unfurl sila ng mga nakabikini, ng mga poster para mawala yung concentration. Bukas si Tindo, Pure Foods now moving. Lahat, hinahanapan nila ng option, trying to swing the ball. Ito si Ravena, pabanda, missing, tapping the ball to Hison, and Gordon's recovers.
The hustle for the rebound play, but Aquino is hurt in the backcourt. They can ask for an injury timeout actually, pero hindi sila humingi. Benny Cheng, umatake.
Sino palpala naman ni Ray Evangelista? The second erasure of the ball game para kay Ray Evangelista.
Aquino's glasses may have broken ha. Baka nabasag yata yung kanyang goggles kaya magpapalit eh.
Injury timeout hinihingi. Yes, Dr. J, there's a cut. There seems to be a cut on the left eyebrow.
Oh, may tumutuloy nga yata. May katulad ng napanood natin na boxing ko.
I-headbutt din ba rito? Titignan natin kung saan nasakit. Oh, meron tayong angulo. And Marlo Aquino is now wearing a protective eyewear para hindi siya masusundot. But despite that, nasungkit siya ng konti doon sa kanyang kaliwang mata.
Benny, dito ka ha. Loli, dito ka ha.
And Jaworski now using this opportunity to have an impromptu timeout on the floor.
Bali, screen.
Yeah, nag-timeout na siya dito sa third quarter. Chino, mabigat siya kung magta-timeout pa siya ng isang full timeout dito.
Dito sa championship, no, they're given 7 timeouts as
Yeah.
compared to 6, no, when we're in the semifinals.
Yes. And so far, we have not even used,
Half of it.
I think we had 2 timeouts in the game number 2 and 1 timeout in game number 1.
Ano,
O 2.
Hindi nila nagagamit dahil lopsided na yung mga scores eh.
And Pure Foods has never used a full timeout so far in this series in the fourth quarter.
Inbound play. Kanina natawagan ng 5-second violation ng Gordon sa first half. Valdavid posting. Tumira si Valdavid. Yun yung kagalingan ni Valdavid, Dr. J. He is a scoring threat.
Yes, and I think Sonny Jaworski has designed something for him. Like nakita ko kanina sa first half, and I mentioned, if the other guards are gonna attack you, I'm going to use you to attack them. If they're not gonna double team, fine, then you go one-on-one against Dindo.
Binigyan niya ng green light ngayon. Ano? At yan ang ginagawa nga ni Valdavid, something that we didn't see sa first 2 games niya.
That's long. And the free throws continues to hound this Gordon's team in the first half. 5 out of 10. 5 na miss nila. Pure Foods, 11 out of 12. 92% from that area.
Valdavid now making his only second free throw. Nung last game, yung 73 points na na-score ng Gordons was their lowest output this year and the lowest since nung talunin sila nung Santa Lucia nung 1996 April, Dr. J. Yung 73 nila. Pero this time, mukhang meron scoring explosion sa kanila, although we see a foul committed itong si Vince Season.
Was almost a completed steal kung nakalusod siya doon sa area na yun because he had half-fronted Ravena, was trying to post him up. 6 minutes and 55 seconds left dito sa ating third quarter. Poste na naman si Ravena against Season. Shoot a jumper, not this time.
And rebound to Marlo Aquino. Nung last game, Dr. J, Marlo Aquino only had what? 6 rebounds. Noli Locsin curling. Ilalabas kay Marlo.
Pag tumira ng 3-point siya,
sobra.
pumasok talaga sobra na yan.
Sobra na yan. Dito silent na konti ang mga baril. Hison knows that. Hindi pa sila titira. 5 seconds to shoot. Bukas si Hison. Tentative. Ayaw niyang tumira. Dr. J, si Vince Hison. Parang dito sa series ito. Ewan ko kung nasabi na to pero sorry to say, napakaraming fans si Vince Season pero parang nidaga si Vince Season sa championship.
Well, he showed a different angle earlier. Dahil drive down the baseline and Patrimonio challenge, he still made the shot. I mean, diskarte niya sa tira niya. Minsan hindi maganda eh. Minsan he'll take bad shots, then sometimes the shot is open, hindi pa niya itira. He's got to learn that. You know?
Well, bata pa si Vince Season but championship series na ito. Sinuwag ni Patrimonio si Noli Locsin.
Yes.
A foul given up ni Valdavid. And then doubling Patrimonio every time he is in scoring position.
Yeah, and Alvin has to start from the outside. That's a very bad foul there by Valdavid. Why will he tap it out? At this stage, Patrimonio is in trouble. He has to shoot a shot under time pressure and he has to shoot it coming off the hip. Pero in an eagerness to steal, he sends Patrimonio to the 4.5-meter line where he's so much better.
Ang Pure Foods run, they've won 8 of their last 10 games, Dr. J. At yan ang pagpapakita kung gaano kalakas ang koponan na nito nasa championship. Maraming nagsabi, well, kasama na ako isa sa mga yan. Ang Pure Foods hindi makakarating ng ganito kalayo. Pero maraming ipinahiya kasama na ako, Dr. J.
Well, it's because also, you know, the other teams did not show the heart that Pure Foods showed, you know. Marami iba dyan, magaganda lineup pero hindi nakapag-improve on their standings. And they're hoping to do better in the second conference. Huwag naman natin silang aayawang kaagad.
Ito naman si Valdavid, fall away. Shooting over pero Dr. J, again, parang walang option kung di yung point guard sa last play na yun. Bong Ravena to Patrimonio. Patrimonio will miss. At ang rebound na kayo ni Bong Ravena, Mr. Hustle. Andito yung team hustle ng Cowboys, Dr. J. Jericho Diñares open. Tagilid kayo dyan. Wala ang kanyang tira and rebound to Marlo Aquino.
Hindi niya binanda eh. Usually binabanda ni Jerry yun.
Agaw na naman, dito Pomaren. Bigay kay Bong Ravena. Bong Ravena tumalikod, pinasa kay Patrimonio, habulan sa bola. Dindo Pomaren na unahan and Patrimonio has it. Patrimonio trying to force the issue. At ang depensa ng Gordons naka-establish sa the foul. Has been called sa puti. Noli Locsin being called for the foul.
And that will also put the Gordons now into the penalty. 5 na ang team foul sila kumpara sa Pure Foods. 5 minutes and 21. Gordons has only scored 6 points in this quarter. Pure Foods has scored 11. Not that much either. Pero medyo napapako nila yung Gordon sa scoring in this quarter.
Mukhang tama, Dr. J. They're on target. Doon sa sinasabi kanina ni Butch na target nila was to limit or whittle the lead, i-decrease ang lead to just 8 points. And now they're on target.
It's already 8 with still plenty of time. And momentum is on their side. The Pure Foods fans, marami sila rito.
Aquino, nakawala. Ang kanyang finger roll, wala. Rebound kay Evangelista. Again, Pure Foods is running. Bigay kay Ravena. Alley-oop!
Yes!
In the sky play para kay Bong Ravena.
Gordons is in trouble. Gordons is in trouble.
Tagilid ang Gordons. Magbabalik po kami.
Paddock's Jeans, a legend on its own. Paddock's, the official jeans of the PDA.
Alam mo, Dr. J, ultimo yung sigaw ng mga Gordon's Gin fans. Mukhang iniiwan na rin sila. Hindi na ganun kalakas dito sa Cuneta Astro.
Yeah, they're trying to rev up the team. Dahil iba na laro nila, they become tentative. They're trying to protect a lead. Kala nila, tama na yun. And that was only the second quarter.
Vincenzo firing a 3-point shot. Forced one at that.
And again, the blue shirts are attacking while, the defense has got to come down.
Dito makikita kung anong kakulangan ng Gordon sa championship pressure.
Yeah, they're very inexperienced team yet compared to the Cowboys who certainly know how to play. And this is a great pass and a great shot. Ability to float in the air.
At ito ang ating scouting report kay Bong Ravena. Isa sa mga makikita natin yung kanyang athletic abilities, ang kanyang pagiging magaling na penetrator at yung kanyang pagiging open court defender. Doon sa huling play na yun, he showed us his athletic prowess.
Yeah. And then of course yung weakness lang niya minsan yung
Turnover.
yung walking niya dyan sa drive. Again,
Bumiti si Ravena!
Ravena has no respect for the defense of Vincenzo at all. And when he gets down there into the middle, hindi na rin siya natatakot.
Ang problema rin ni Vincenzo, Dr. J, palagi siyang bumubuntot doon sa kanyang binabatayan. Hindi ka ng tamang paglalaro ng depensa.
Yeah, he
Tignan
doesn't
doon sa
follow
last
him.
play, no?
He doesn't follow him properly by the lateral movement. His lateral movement in defending is very weak. He's very strong going straight up. Pero tama yun, palitan na dapat yan. Dahil hindi niya kayang bantayan si Ravena. Ravena has really torn him apart while he has not delivered on the other end.
Palabas si Vincenzo ng court at nag-sign of the cross siya. I think he needs a prayer dito sa series ito, Dr. J.
Again, he has been almost shut off here. And that lead is down to only 5 right now. Ravena cuts it down to 4.
And Sonny Jaworski, hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin niya sa kanyang kupunan. In fact, ibinalik niya na yung sarili niya to provide some spark. Walang spark ang kanyang kupunan. Tentative, hindi alam kung anong gagawin. Nakatayo, nanonood sa isa't isa. Ayan, nakaset na uli ang depensa ng Pure Foods. Ikot ng bola, wala pa rin bukas. They go to David from the corner.
Yeah,
Ayun!
he's willing to take the shot. Again, Ravena is running and he's going to go up against Jaworski who's holding his ground. Hindi siya binibigyan ng puwang.
Change of pace, Binato, Patrimonio. Set up, tumira. Wala, rebound, Evangelista! And Dr. J, pure hustle ipinapakita nitong Pure Foods corned beef, and that has been the key para sa kanila dito sa seryeng ito.
Yes, because ang nangyari na sa kanila is they're the ones rallying and obviously sila may adrenaline. Yung isa medyo subsided na yung kanilang emotion. Ravena leads the pack here. Nice pass to Patrimonio. Patrimonio has not been shooting well, but there is Evangelista just underneath the basket. Manlo Aquino, look at him. Where is he? Ang layo-layo pa niya. Hindi man siya pumapasok because that's where they need him in the rebound.
Tentative sila sa opensa, tentative pa rin sila sa depensa. Hindi ganyan ang pagpapanalo ng championship.
Well, they're not even thinking of the championship right now, Chino. Para sa akin, they're even thinking of only winning one game.
Alam mo yun Dr. J?
Yes. Hindi pa pumuputok yan.
Yun.
At hindi pa pumutok so far in this game at all, no?
Ito, trying to break the press. Ito, mahirap din to, Dr. J. 3 players dito pa na yung malalaki. So Sonny Jaworski trying to alter yung
Lineup
niya. And an illegal defense which could be a good decision. Ang ginawa ni Noli Locsin at saka Wilmer Ong, pupunta sila sa isang gilid. Yung mga bantay nila nandun sa free throw line sa ibabaw, top of the key, naipit. So dalawa yung nahulihan ng defensive laps doon.
Without Hison there, they don't have a lot of good free throw shooters on the floor also. So they have to assign Baldabid. Tinawag siya ni Jaworski.
And David responds. He converts. So si David lang yung player na nagbibigay buhay dito sa kupunan ng Gordons. Shooting has gone sour para sa Gordons after a scorching run in the first half, Dr. J.
Well, it's bound to happen. You know, alam mo, hindi ka naman pwede mag 4 quarters sa puro 70% ang shooting or 60%. Aayawan ka ng kalaban.
Ayawan na. Ano yun, habulan? Baldabid missing.
And Locsin has not gone to the boards. I want to look at his boards tonight compared to his averages in this series.
Si Locsin, Dr. J, so far has 7 rebounds. In game number 2, I think he had 10 rebounds. Patrimonio now beginning to work.
Walang pumasok. Tsaka nagsisisi si Alvin. He had a nice shot, no?
Baldabid, zigzagging. Kontra kay Dindo Pumarin. Wala talagang kontrolado siya ni Dindo. Sonny Jaworski. Binigay kay Wilmer Ong. Wilmer Ong down the lane. Kabandang tira. Wala. Bagsak si Wilmer Ong. At least, yung mga ganong klaseng play, mabubuhayan sila.
Yeah.
Sonny Jaworski knows that.
Tsaka matapang rin naman talaga yan si Ong. He's gonna go down the middle and do a lot of those things.
We have a timeout.
For those who appreciate quality, Outlast Battery, winner of international awards for quality.
Si Wilmer Ong, 2 free throw shots bibigay sa kanya. Meron na pala siyang double-double. 2 puntos, 2 rebound.
Yeah.
Yan ang ating Commissioner's Row na ngayong araw ay naging Congress Row. Panay kongresista nakikita natin. Kasama dyan sila Congressman Andaya Payumo, Osmeño Aquino. Kanina si Congressman Bagatsing nakita ko. Of course, we saw a shot of the Commissioner himself. Saka yung ating barkada nun si Mr. Sonny Barrios.
Yes, and split charity. So, you know, Gordon's really feeling those charities that could have given them a double-digit advantage. No?
Ravenna against Locsin. Ravenna changing directions. Ito si Pumarin, bukas na bukas. Wala, rebound to Sonny Jaworski.
That could have been a big triple B, ah.
Ito si Noli Locsin. Si Noli Locsin din naging tentative, Dr. J, na steal. Almost, but not quite. Parang
tulala. Yeah, he must be in another world here in the third quarter because he has not been himself in this third quarter.
And maybe in the series, Dr. J, although he has been getting those rebounds.
May mga numbers siya eh. May mga first 2 games. Okay naman ang laro niya. Pero itong game na ito, he has not been that tough inside.
Sana wag siyang mag-concede ng championship agad. Ano? It's 2-0. Sabi nga natin, hindi pa tapos hanggang hindi nakakaapat. And Baldabid!
Ito, fighter.
Itong hindi mo naman maipagkakaila dito kay Baldabid. The big heart.
Yeah, if Gordons is leading in this ball game, Chino, it's because of their guards.
Yes.
Yeah, it's their guards that have kept them in the lead.
Baldabid doing the damage. Ito si Patrimonio against sa double team. Bukas si Pumarin sa ilalim. Sumalpal! Burado ang tira.
Pero walang burado pero walang lumapit doon. Pinabayaan tumira.
Ganon din yun. Nakasupalpal ka, yun ang kailangan maintindihan ng mga batang naglalaro ng basketball. Masupalpal ka, kailangan kunin mo yung bola pag nakasupalpal ka. Huwag mong panoorin dahil susut yun.
Defense never stops until you have possession of the ball, as they say.
Sonny Jaworski handing off to Wilmer Ong. They go to Marlu, almost a steal. 5 seconds to shoot. Do they know that?
Ong knows that.
Sonny Jaworski, ito ang oldest guy on the court. Siya pa yung tumatalon para sa rebound, yung kanyang mga mas batang mga kakampi. Tulala.
Pagod na yata sila eh.
Ito na naman si Jericho Diniera.
Pagod na yung mga players. The big players of Gordons had really been pushed to the hilt. They were paced actually. Nakapag-pace na yan si Marlo, nakapag-pace na yan si Noli, but they have not been coming up to par.
Ito, pasa ni Baldabid. Tumira ng kaliwang kamay. Ifinalo up ni Marlo. Wala. Rebound nakuha. Lalabas kay Sonny Jaworski. Wala pa rin direksyon ng Gordons ngayon. Tumingin sila sa shot clock. they want to set up. Walang gumagalaw eh.
Well, difference of a couple seconds game clock and shot clock.
Valdavid. A 5-point lead being protected. Patahin na naman ng Gordons.
That's a foul, and that's a bad foul because they're in the penalty.
And 2 free throw shots will be awarded. Ray Evangelista now nasa free throw line for 2 shots. He can bring Pure Foods to within 3 if he makes both. He cans the first. 9.2 seconds left. And pagpapalit, ito yung mga situational substitution natin. Ipapahinga ng konti si Jerry. So he will have fresh legs come fourth quarter. Hindi natin alam kung anong gagawin itong Gordons na adjustment. Talay ko, dapat si Anthony Suntay makinig kung anong gagawin ng Gordons dito sa fourth quarter. Kung hindi, 3-0 ang makakatapat nilang record.
And they gotta go for this shot quickly. They don't have a lot of time.
6 seconds to go. Noli Locsin barreling in. And foul ang itatawag. That's the only time na nakita natin Noli Locsin aggressively attacking the basket.
Oo. 3.6 seconds left. So let's see the free throw shots of Noli Locsin at this stage. He's been pretty accurate in this series, no? But tonight, I think that's the first time I see him go to that area.
Wala, ayaw umatake Dr. J. Yan ang kanyang averages. Maganda yung averages niya pala dito sa series.
Yeah, definitely. Pero it's the game tonight that he has been absent so far, no? Pero madami pa siyang pagkakataon to make up for that.
3.6 seconds left and si Noli Locsin dito sa atin currently has 6 points.
He's averaging almost 20 points and 12 rebounds a ball game. You know? So those are big numbers. But tonight it has been the guards that have kept this Gordon's team alive. That's
Missing
gonna
the
be
second free
violation on Cabato. He went in already. Nahuli na, alam na ni Marlos, sinisenyas na agad. Tsaka alam na ni Barrela, inaantay na lang niya yung tira ni Locsin. Dahil kung pumasok yung tira ni Locsin, ika-count na lang niya.
At kanina nakita niyo po ang litrato ng anak ng aming bossing. Isa po ang nakikialam ng technical center, ang mga cameraman na nagbabantay dito sa game na to. This is game number 3 of the championship series. Lamang ang Gordons, or ang lang Gordons ng 5.
Gotta shoot that one.
Offensive foul pa si Sonny Jaworski to start the fourth quarter. And the walls of the Cuneta Astros starting to crumble down on Gordons dito sa ball game na ito, Dr. J.
Well, they've got 12 minutes to keep the series alive here. I mean, if they go 3-0, alam natin, siguro hindi na sila makaka-4 straight. If they go 2-1, you know, anything can still happen. So, they've got 12 minutes to do that, and they only have a 5-point lead. Pure Foods has possession of the ball. They've got the momentum going for them.
Dr. J, after a strong start, dalawang quarter, kumakain ng
Blanca na
ito
naman
yun.
ni Aquino yung reverse layup ni Patrimonio.
Patrimonio not playing too well in this ball game, Dr. J.
But so is his counterpart on the
Yun.
other end, referring to Noli Locsin. He hasn't played that well either.
And Noli Locsin now attacking the basket. Gusto natin mas agresibo si Noli Locsin. Alam natin kung anong generate na lakas nitong si Noli Locsin when he goes strong to the basket. Pero hindi nga natin nakikita yan lately.
Yeah, pag wala ka i-generate na income, walang economy.
Okay, yeah. Economist ka pala, Dr. J.
Oh, that's one of my...
Ganun ba?
Yung mga bataw na punta rito eh.
Malayo, no? Excuse me. Eto si Dindo Pumaren setting up donking sa Suman. Wala. Rebound Noli Locsin. Nakuha ni Valdavid.
Valdavid has so much energy in this ball game.
Naku, tinawagan pa na stepping. And Sonny Jaworski lumapit kay Varela pero nakita ni Varela because Varela was trailing David dun sa last play na yon.
Yeah, you know, Sonny, in a series of calls made by Barrela against them at the start of the fourth quarter, they might lose their concentration because of that, you know. Can't let those calls bother you. Kung nandun yun, nandun yun.
Patrimonio. Wala pa rin. But Evangelista keeping the ball alive.
Barrela gives the, gives the signal for possession to Gordons.
Tawa si Sonny Jaworski. And up next, we will have the post-game show. Pagkatapos ito at inaanyayahan namin kayo, padalan nyo uli yung inyong mga comments about the game sa ating Fanspeak 150-100-973 or 150-747. Tandaan nyo yung mga numerong yan and we would like to thank ang mga kaibigan natin sa Mobiline.
Yeah, sa PhilTel, si Mr. Joy Carango, of course, the president, at saka si Attorney Joseph Santiago.
Yun ang ating
Thank you. Maraming salamat. Sana dagdagan nyo ng konti dahil medyo may iba na out yata dyan. I'm
Oo.
sure we have a lot of fans who want to join. Baka next game, medyo bigyan pa tayo ng dalawa niya.
Bibigyan tayo. Pero next game kasi, Dr. J, nakamawala si post-game show ng pansamantala because of the NBA Finals, yung conference finals. We'll have to give way. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala. Bubuhayin natin uli yan. 3-point shot, Sonny Jaworski. It's short! And foul on Noli Locsin.
Good call.
And Sonny Jaworski, well, he can only blame himself dito sa ball game ito, fourth quarter, Dr. J.
1 minute and 40 seconds gone by here. So far, no team has scored points here in this fourth quarter. Ray Bangilista is being replaced here by Bong Ravena.
Yan ang hindi natin nakikita in this ball game. And Vince Season has to rethink kung ano mang iniisip niya. Palagay niya, nakasettle na siya dito. Alam niya kung dapat niyang gawin.
He's played well in the first half, but in the third quarter, he became tentative after missing some shots.
Pasa kay Patrimonio sa gilid si Sasuman.
No.
Ako, patay ang butiki. And Sonny Jaworski. Dr. J, si Sonny Jaworski pa tumatakbo para kumuha ng rebound.
Well, siya na lang ang may legs eh.
Ito si Wilmer
Nice
Ong.
pass by Locsin. That was a great pass by Locsin.
Well, baka mabuhayan ng konti ang Gordons. They're trying to recover. It's a 7-point lead for them after being prone down to just 3, no, Dr. J? Kanina?
Yes.
Ito si Dindo Pumarin using the screen. Bukas si Sasuman. Isang hindi makashoot. Pumarin.
Yes.
Pumarin.
Despite
Steady. Ando na si Wilmer Ong.
Oo.
Ando si Sonny Jaworski. At itong iba talaga pinapakita, Dr. J, itong Pure Foods sa championship nito.
Yeah, they're showing they've got a lot of heart. You know, if they go to win it, it's because they deserve it, not give it to them. Obviously, you know. So they had to fight back.
Dr. J, maraming nagsasabi naman, pag-usapan natin sandali ang Gordons habang pumuhupa ng konting action. Yun daw championship ng Gordons doon sa third conference against Alaska. They should have learned a lot of lessons. Ito pasa ni Sonny Jaworski!
Yeah. Si Marlo doon, he was pushed from behind. I thought he wouldn't be able to make that shot, no, because I give and go play yun.
Going back, Dr. J. Natuto na ba yung Gordons sa mga leksyon na tinuro sa kanila ng Alaska doon sa championship na yun? As we see Patrimonio nailing a three-pointer.
Wilmer Ong had to look at the coaching staff because he went to double team. Iniwanan niya ng bukas si Alvin Patrimonio. He double team against a small man and that might not be the right thing to do.
4-point lead. Posting up. Ito, hindi mabigyan ni Sonny Jaworski si Wilmer Ong. And Valdavid. They go to Valdavid. Valdavid played without relief. Bumiti ng tira. Naku, Dr. J. The shot selection has to improve. 1 second to go and delikado na naman ang katayuan ng Gordons dito. They're just leading by 4 points. 71-67 ang oras. 8 minutes and 26 seconds in the ballgame.
Well, that's the way their status has been always throughout the series so far. Parati silang delikado. Ngayon lang nga sila nakakatikim na lamang up to this stage of the ball game.
Si Patrimonio, Dr. J, unang field goal na lang pala yun sa ball game. He's going 1 out of 10. And a foul has been called. At ang tira ni Dindo Pumarin ay hindi na ibibigay. Foul on Wilmer Ong just before the shot. At merong piece of trivia dito. Ito, nakakatakot. Itong Pure Foods is 11-2 this year when holding opponents to not more than 80 points in a game. So that's alarming, Dr. J.
Well, it's still a long way to go.
Yeah,
71 na ang Gordons. But Gordons scoring has certainly stopped here in the second half.
Ito si Pumarin. Again, from almost the same angle. Good boxing out. Sonny Jaworski. Kasundutan pa ng bola. Dumayb sa bola. Naagawan ni Bong Ravena. At ang mga kakampi, hindi malaman kung paano gagawin tulong. Patrimonio na fouled by Wilmer Ong and Sonny Jaworski picking himself up.
And they're hurt by those turnovers at this stage of the ball game.
I think they have to recruit, Dr. J. Hindi ko alam kung paano na gagawin yan. They have a lot of timeouts remaining and Sonny Jaworski attack from behind. Sonny Jaworski, although trying to provide the hustle, mahirap na pag mas mabibilis ang kalaban mo.
Yeah, and you know, those guys are picking it up. He is susceptible to the fast break. Patrimonio after the three-point shot. Locsin is being replaced here by Vince Season.
And Noli Locsin now, upo siya. Dapat yung coaching staff, pagka umupong ganito, may kakausap na isa tututok eh.
You know, and so that's very noticeable, Chino. Yung Pure Foods bench, they're so much alive. Yung Gordon's bench, they've got to have more life. You know, they've got to cheer their teammates when they make shots or anything. Sila ay parang, kumbaga sa ano, para silang mga patay eh.
Then meron akong kabiruan eh. Naalala mo si Roel Nadurata? May tawag siya sa ganyang mga tao. Tawag niya mga taga-tanawan daw. Mga taga-Batangas sa tawag actually dyan.
Looking at the proceedings, no? Na
Pag
pinapanood yun.
nananawan ka, di ba? Tinanonood mo lang. Pero baka yun ang style nila eh. ng Gordon's coaching staff. Unlike yung contrast yan sa kabila, sapagkat itong kabila, paglabas ng isang player, tutok agad sila.
Yeah, they give them advice. Nice play.
Bumping and Aquino. Yun, at least ganyan nakita natin tumayo si Philip Cesar at saka si Rino Salazar.
But look at the other players. Hindi yung parang reaction
Wala,
nila. Lahat
walang
sila
rara.
lumilipad. Marlo, wala eh. Because they're still down. That's the problem. They're 2-0. 2-0 ang Pure Foods, yung kabila 0-2. Yung sa amin yan, it was very important in team spirit. No? If you don't have the spirit, you can't win games. You have to have that spirit with everybody. They shouldn't be like Cheng. He might not be happy. He's not playing, you know. Pero wala kang magagawa eh. Team mo ito eh. Hindi ka rin makakalaro next game pag hindi ka nanalo ngayon. Useless. Yeah.
Akala kasi ng mga basketball player, yung 5 lang na nasa loob.
Yeah.
Ang
It becomes
naglalaro
like
ng
an
basketball
individual thing. Eh. Pure Foods is completely different.
Ravenna pumukol, wala. Rebound kukunin ni Marlo Aquino. And Marlo Aquino coming back to life in this fourth quarter.
He's
We're
worked
up.
hard.
Hindi na halos yung pinahinga yan. Kapiraso lang ang pahinga niya, Dr. J. sa ball game ito.
Hindi nila kaya ang pahingahin niya. I mean, they cannot afford.
Screen kay Sonny Jaworski, nakatapak sa 3-point line. Short! Muntik maagawan ng bola. Ito na naman ang Pure Foods. They're running. Looking sa Suman, a revelation player para sa kanya ng Pure Foods, Dr. J. Pero dito, hindi siya nakakapagbigay ng mga tamang puntos. They have 7 seconds to shoot. Patient for the play. 5 seconds. They go to Patrimonio underneath. Sinupalpal, ngunit may foul na itatawag. And Patrimonio will take 2 free throw shots. A chance again to cut down the lead. Titignan natin ang itsura ng Gordon's bench dito. Tulala sila, Dr. J. Going back again to the Gordon's bench. Walang nag-uusap ng mga player. Hindi kinakausap ng coaching staff kung sino man manlalarong baka tawagin ni Coach Sonny Jaworski to report to the back to the ball game.
Anyway, we have Patrimonio taking 2 free throw shots. At the same time, you have Noli Locsin about to come back into the ball game together with Evangelista. Ito si Rene Montemayor, the president of Pure Foods. Very hardworking. It's been a long time since his team has seen a championship. And Locsin is coming in for Jaworski for the last 6 minutes and 37 seconds of this ball game. Jaworski, a tired man, played a lot of minutes again tonight. But trying to bring back that fire. Yung importante sa kanya is not only to play, but to play to win and play hard.
Ito, just a 3-point lead, Dr. J. Protected ng pinoprotektahan ng Gordons. Marami pang timeout pwede gamitin, pero alam mong nire-reserve mo nila yan towards the end. Ito si Noli Locsin. Bukas sa ilalim. One of the rare times again dito sa quarter na to that he has attacked the basket.
And that was a great pass by Baldavid. I mean, Baldavid has so much energy and it's really flowing.
Ganda doon. Contagious Dr. J. At least hindi sakit yung contagious. Yung tao, yung sipag niya. Scramble for the ball. Agawan, nakuha ni Baldavid again. It's Baldavid. Parang it's all Baldavid Marlo Aquino show dito. Bukas, tumira. Aba! Wilmer O hesitating but
Bonus.
finally. Parang kang tumama sa...
Loto.
Hindi lang loto. Yung ganun.
Loteng. Ayaw mo loto, loteng. Mega loto kung gusto mo.
Marami pala yun. 78-71 is the score. And Gordon's now showing us some grit and determination towards the end game. Pero mahaba pa ito, Dr. J. 5-49. Long struggle.
Marami pang timeout si Eric Altameral. You know, Gordon's made the basket, but they didn't come back quick on defense. And Pure Foods, nakashoot sila, labas natin ang bola, atake kaagad tayo. So, you know, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 seconds, makakabalik sila ng...
Wala, minalito lang na bata.
May bata lang nakatapon nun eh, aksidente lang yun.
Meron na kasi bata nagbaba.
Natutuwa lang yun.
Pamaypay. At yung bata na dito namut na tuloy. Kasi merong pamaypay na pinamimigay yung Gordon sa iba to ng bata sa sobrang tuwa yata. And hindi naman naapektuhan yung play. Buti lang nandun sa kabila yung free throw.
I mean,
78-73.
na-excited lang. Na-excited lang yun. And I was trying to pacify some of the security people.
Mahigpit po ang security ngayon dito sa Cuneta, especially
Kaya magbabato dito kung manonood kayo.
mabait nga ngayon ng mga Gordon's fan dahil outnumbered sila dito ng mga Pure Foods fans.
I don't think they're outnumbered. Meron pa rin.
sila.
Pero hindi sila pwede makapag-radyada eh.
Ito si Noli Locsin. Attacking. Wala. Antala ang kanyang tira. Ito na umaatake si Bong Ravenna. Open court. He likes the open court but deciding atake ng konti muna. Valerie picking up that foul.
They are in penalty, so it's free throw shots.
Well, another weakness of Valerie Dr. J. That's his 5th personal foul. Too valuable a player to miss.
Saka masakit ito because there's still a lot of time getting into the penalty. You're in a lot of trouble because pwede magkaroon ng mga free throw shots yan. Si Benny Cheng, si Jaworski na mismo. Let's see, Benny responds. He has responded well in this series.
Pero Dr. J, kung babalikan natin yung topic natin on the bench, baka sanay ang mga players o coaching staff na si Sonny Jaworski yung kumakausap sa kanila palagi. Di ba? Yan ang, isang reason kung bakit nagiging parang passive o nag-aalangan siguro ang coaching staff to talk to the other players pag nandun sa loob sa bench, sa coach si Sonny Jaworski. Dahil alam mo na si Sonny Jaworski yung role niya, kinakausap mo ng players isa-isa.
Yeah, but he's also a coach, no? So he's got to think. He's got to watch the game. So hindi pwede lahat yan gagawin mo.
Dito po marin, splitting the free throws.
At this stage of the ball game, every point counts. Baldavid.
With 5 personal on him. And a foul on Dindo Pumarin. Hand-checking foul. Second personal lang to. Dito matitesting si Dindo Pumarin against Baldavid.
Well, so far, he has won every battle against him, no? Except in the game
Maybe this
tonight.
game. Ito ang game na gustong-gusto ni Baldavid. Dito lumitaw talaga. Ang tunay na laro ni Baldavid. He has 19 points, 2 rebounds, but he has 5 personal fouls.
Want to go to Marlo Aquino at the post. Try to attack with that play. Oli Locsin finds an opening.
Siya nga atake, pinabandang tira, wala. Rebound, nakuha niya. Inilagay yung bola, wala. Kinuha niya na naman. At foul na tatawag kay Ray Evangelista. And now, konting physical, expected yan.
It was only body. I never saw any hands move.
At dito, nag-iitan yung mga players ng Purefoods, pero lahat nakangiti.
Para yung
mabilis ang
Bisaya.
action.
And you can see Evangelista and Oli Locsin shake hands. It's just at that impact, you know. Nung impact na yun, nagkagulo doon. Noli Locsin driving down the middle. Look at all the blue shirts clamped up. Black. Kuha ulit ang rebound.
Ayan ang kalakasan.
Eto, hinampas. And you can see those extra motions of the hands. But that's it. Tapos tinginan na yan.
Ganyan lang yan. Matagal na nakikita yung mga yan. And Noli Locsin at least nagpapakita ng buhay dito. At yan ang hinahanap natin kay Noli Locsin. He generates so much energy inside the court. Nakataka-taka, pag hindi natin nakikita si Noli nagwawala sa loob. Nako!
Ayaw pa pumasok. Noli's been struggling tonight. He's had you know, if he had played anything decent, they would have been very comfortable with this lead. Meanwhile, ano kaya ang tinatanong ni Barela kay Dindo? Siguro not to bother the shooter because alam mo si Dindo may ugali niya. No? Hindi naman yung ugali niya yan. Gusto niya mang ilang eh. And Barela is warning him. Actually, kung ako, hindi ako warning him. I'll just give another free throw. No, not a technical, but an extra free throw because if the guy missed, give him the extra free throw.
Missing the second free throw. Rebound, pinag-aagawan. At foul ang itatawag kay Noli Locsin.
And they are in the penalty, so it means free throw shots for Evangelista. Locsin, look at that. The strengths, powerful upper body, rebounding, great rebounder, open court player. Hasn't shown that much tonight. Weakness, free throw shooting. Right there and then nakita niyo dalawang misses.
2 free throws for Ray Evangelista.
Magpo-photo finish pa ito, 4 minutes and 46. Ang dami pang oras dito.
Marami pang timeout na pwedeng itawag, Dr. J. Ang kapunan po ng Purefoods with 4 timeouts and Gordon's with 3 timeouts. 4 and 46 remaining in this ballgame.
Saka may mga 20 pa yan.
Ray Evangelista folding under pressure when he himself is not a pretty decent free throw shooter, Dr. J.
Well, at his rookie year, remember his very first game, 22 yata ginawa niya, yung mga free throw shots niya in the end game. I remember that on his very first year, he made all of them in the end game. Pero alam mo ito, kasi dito, pagod na rin yan, banging bodies and everything. Nadidisturb ko ang pulso niya, ng player.
Evangelista nailing the second free throw. Splitting the free throws, a 3-point lead para sa kupunan ng Gordons. Ito, pati inbound, hindi malaman kung kanina ibibigay ang bola.
Well, that's a good track there by Purefoods. Quite different from what they use. Kaya nga medyo nagkaroon ng konting diferensya doon. Until then, check in from the middle.
Different variations, so different or rather form of a trap.
Benny's gonna shoot that.
Pero wala kanyang tira. But he hustles back and taps the ball back to Baldavid.
Ang lamang ni Benny Cheng at this stage, he has fresh legs.
Legs yun. Yun, tama Dr. J. Hinahanap yung mga sariwang paa. Hindi ko tulad ng mga ibang players ng Gordons. Mabigat na because they're tired.
Double teaming against Marlo.
Marlo Aquino powering his way in!
Yun ang tinatawag na saksak. Right in the heart. Di ba? Yung talagang sinaksak mo sa puso. Dahil kung palegoy-legoy ka pa sa labas yan, wala ka nang aabutin.
Ito ang gusto natin, yung power move ni Marlo Aquino. Tingnan mo yung tatlo yung bumabantay Dr. J. Actually, apat yan. Yung isa nag-abang na lang. But Marlo Aquino showing us why he was Rookie of the Year last year. At ngayon, hindi na lang Rookie of the Year ang kanyang tinitignan. Malamang Dr. J.
Mythical 5. At least the way he's playing. Well, Jerry is also there, so he can't.
But he has to make his free throw shots.
Alvin with a safe rebound. Safe rebound. 4 minutes left in the
Still a long way
most
to go.
exciting ball game of the series so far.
First two games natin, nakita natin gano'ng kalopsided. Ito si Patrimonio. Wala pong butas. Jericho Dinera, hindi na makatira. 3 seconds to go. Dindo Pumaren, wala.
Ayaw.
And Marlo Aquino, akala ko
Foul.
nasundot yung bola. Nakarinig pala siya ng pito, kaya hinawakan niya lang yung bola.
Yeah. But again, nasa penalty na rin ngayon ang Pure Foods. Marlo goes back to his Achilles heel. Gotta shoot the free throw shot.
Ito ang problema ni Marlo Aquino, the free throw shooting. And Patrimonio, wala siyang magawa doon sa height advantage that Marlo has against him. It's a 5-point lead, both teams independently. Gordon's 80, ang Pure Foods 75. Marlo Aquino in this ball game. Si Marlo ay meron ng naitatalang 17 puntos, 11 rebounds, and what? 5 rebounds, Dr. J. That free throw shooting has to improve.
Well, pasok na yung tira ni Dindo Pumaren doon. Lumabas pa. That's why Marlo had a clear rebound. And Marlo waking up after 2 games. He is a sleeping giant talaga.
Today, an awakened giant, no?
What an overview here. 18 points, 11 rebounds, 5 blocks.
And yes, the second free throw. At unti-unting bumabalik muli ang kumpiyansa ng Gordon sa kanilang mga sarili.
Hindi pa rin tuma-timeout. Ayan, humingi na ng 20-second timeout si Eric Altamirano.
And a foul given up. Sayang kung hindi sila nag-foul. Benny Cheng giving up that foul. Benny Cheng picking up his first foul.
You see, that's the problem with Gordons. They make 2 points and they don't go back in transition defense. Pure Foods is almost always attacking them. Nakakuha ulit ng putos pabalik na mabilis eh.
Si Ray Evangelista yung pag-atake. At ito, full timeout o 20-second timeout lamang ang itatawag ng Pure Foods Corned Beef Cowboys, still trying to preserve or reserve or rather yung kanilang timeouts. They have 4 to call dito sa ating quarter na ito. And Dr. J, kung ganito, kung pag-uusapan natin ng kapunan ng Pure Foods, what do you do? You're down 6 points, 3 and 30. Hindi mo lang panic time to eh.
Definitely not, Chino. Tsaka na-eavesdrop natin na as much as possible gusto nila saksak, fish for the fouls, go to the free throw line. Only under extreme circumstances and unless you're wide open, you take outside shots. Well, of course, you can't tell that to Patrimonio. Pag yan libre, talaga titira yan.
And Evangelista now taking his second free throw. He just named his first. Ang story on time as Pure Foods has 4, Gordon's has 3, and a 20 left. Ano? 20.
Gordon says no more 30-second injury timeout. They used that here in the second half. Jaworski played some minutes.
Maraming minuto kung nilaro dito. He started the fourth quarter, although decided later on, iwanan na lang sa kanyang mga players and leave to the coaching. No?
Tama naman eh. It's the big who's got to take care of himself. I think he has 5 fouls, so they need him on the floor. Arencio just never got started in this ball game. Very early deliberate foul. Pupunta agad eh.
So, nasira agad eh, no, yung diskarte. Sayang, nawala yung iniintay na explosion natin kay Harencio. Yung deliberate foul called on him early in the first quarter. Mahirap yun. Mahirap po recover doon.
5-point lead, 3 minutes and 25 seconds left. Nobody's ball game still at this stage.
Ito, little movement sa panig ng Gordons.
But the shot clock is down. Down.
Ito na si Marlo Aquino. 4 seconds to shoot. Alam ba nila to? Walang titira. Benny Cheng will take that. He's unafraid. Rebound. Pinag-aagawa. Nakuha ni Dindo Pumaren. And quickly, ito na naman ang Pure Foods attacking the basket. Sabi ni Ray Evangelista, hintayin yung point guard.
Nakita na niya bumalik lahat ng 5 wide shirts, so they have no choice but to stop their play. Hindi naman pwedeng 3 against 5.
They go to Patrimonio. Both teams in the penalty. Pasa sa ilalim. Fielded ni Vincison. Excellent anticipation ni Vincison of that pass.
Yeah. He went around the screen because Bong Ravena went through the baseline and used double screens there. So Hison went around the screen. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Could be the biggest play of the evening.
Ito yun. Benny Cheng. Fouling. Dindo Pumarin.
Those are stupid fouls by Benny Cheng. You know, he's trying to steal the ball when the team is under pressure and they're in penalty. That's one thing wrong with Benny. Pag hindi niya nakuha yung kanyang
Nabubugnot
no? Naiiba na laro niya.
Nabubugnot, nasasayang. Hindi yun ang klase ng player na alam natin dapat maging si Benny Cheng. Sayang yun, no?
That's a foul. You know, why will you foul him? You're so big. He's not going to drive against you. He's not going to shoot that shot over you. Just put on your defense. Here, you send him to the free throw line.
2 shots para kay Pumarin. He makes the first. 82-78. Dr. J, talagang di kita nitong labang ito.
And they already have 1 possession here. Let's see if they can get anything out of this.
Patrimonio. Bumitin sa ere. Wala. Rebound nakuha ni Ray Evangelista. At nakuha pa naman ang bola ni Benny Cheng.
Ayun ang mabigat dahil nasundot ni Hison from behind. Ngayon, time is against Pure Foods now because, of course, Gordon's is going to use the clock.
Hindi rin sila makaka-foul because that will send Gordon's.
I will foul if it gets to Locsin or Aquino. I will not foul if it gets to Vincison.
Hindi sila gumagalaw. Locsin, pabanda, wala. Rebound to Jerry Cudinera. There is much time left. Cudinera thinking 3. Wala, Dr. J.
That's not a good shot.
Yun na,
That's not the guy you want to take a 3-point shot.
Paligo, tapos na to.
Ngayon, they've got to foul. But force them to give it to somebody else and they foul them.
Ayan, bukas si Marlu. Marlu finishing off this pass. And Gordon's is alive, Dr. J. They've come back from the grave after being down by 2-0. Nangangamoy 2-1. Time out of Pure Foods. Magbabalik kami. Dalawang free throws para kay Marlo Aquino trying to ice. Isang free throw, no? Na 3-point play.
3-point play. He made the shot.
Ito Marlo Aquino trying to put the icing on the cake. He does.
And the Pure Foods team have taken out all their starters, most of their starters, so they've thrown in the towel for game number 3.
So looking forward to the next game, no? Dumukot sa ilalim si Ray Evangelista. While everything's over, ang ating mga players of the game. At palagay ko, Dr. J, obvious dito kung sino pipiliin natin. They foul Marlo Aquino.
Yeah, we'll try to stop the clock. Foul Marlo, biggest free throw shooter. He is one of the best players of the game, Marlo Aquino.
One of the players of the game, si Marlo Aquino. And another player of the game na ating napili is si Bal David dito sa ball game nito. Bal David definitely played his heart out dito, Dr. J. 19 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists. At despite his 5 personal fouls kanina, early in the fourth quarter, he stayed on.
Yeah.
Siya yung leader, Dr. J.
And he's the other best player. Look at that, 24 points, 12 rebounds, 6 blocks.
Can you argue with us, Dr. J?
Yeah. And you know, Jaworski took a gamble with Baldavid. I mean, he had to play more minutes because of what happened to Arencio. Gusto niyang i-pay si Baldavid, kaso si Arencio after 1 minute natanggal kaagad. And he never got going in this ball game. So, you know, this series has been really very unpredictable. Benny Cheng, you know, medyo waking up a little bit here.
Maganda, Dr. J, after committing a foul noon kanina, palagi ito ginanahan siya. Yung foul na sinasabi natin kanina was a useless foul. Ngayon, ginanahan naman at buhay na buhay. Itong si Benny Cheng.
Yeah, alam mo, Benny should be a professional. He's going to be used by Jaworski in Game 4, probably Game 5. You know, he just wake up. Medyo maganda linaro ng mga ibang players eh. So, maganda 3-point shooting. When they need him, they're going to go to Benny Cheng. His advisors got to tell him that, you know, that he shouldn't fret about his playing time and that
he will get it.
Yeah, he'll get it. Now, Pure Foods got to wake up dahil all of a sudden, binigyan mo ng buhay isang team, no? That you've beaten 5 in a row.
Ito, at saka itong Gordon's, Dr. J, pag bumalik yan, talagang bumabalik ng todo-todo yan. A 10-point lead And Pure Foods wants a timeout. Magpapalik po.
Ido Arancho for Nori Lopsin.
91-81 is the score, and Gordons is back in the series. They're now just down by one game. 2-1.
It's 2-1. Yeah. So still might be a long way to go before and premature to be crowning anybody the champion. Sa Suman from downtown.
Bago ang kanyang follow-up. So, usapan na lang dito is the final score.
Pero papaul pa itong Pure Foods. Yun naman itong mga ito, they're struggling. They're still gonna play, you know, this, especially in this second group. They're not gonna give up and stop. Maaga pa naman, alas 8 pa. Meron pa tayong
Isang oras.
meron pa tayong show, post-game show.
Yes.
And we'll try to get, of course, the members of the victorious team. Plus, of course, kung pwede tayong makakuha galing doon sa kabila, sa kupunan ng Pure Foods, to help us analyze the game. Pero hindi na ako kasali dyan. Pahinga muna ako. Kasama na yata si Kinito dyan.
Nagpapahinga si Dr. J ngayon. It's family day for Dr. J.
I wanna go home and eat.
Ako rin.
And besides, you know, salamat ulit sa ating mga kaibigan dyan sa Pintel. Yung dinner nila.
Malaking bagay yan. Inuulit namin. Pwede niyong ipadala hanggang ngayon ang inyong mga comments about the game. Kabuhayan ng Gordons. Ang ating mga number 150-100-747 or 150-100-973. Again, thank you to Atty. Joseph Santiago.
Saka
And
si
of course,
Mr.
to Mr. Choi
Choi
Coaco
Coaco.
for lending us the beepers that we are using dito sa post-game show natin na ito. Maraming salamat po uli. At maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagtangkilik ng PBA dito po sa Vintage Sports sa IBC 13. At dyan po nagwawakas ang storya ng game number 3. Gordons 92, ang Pure Foods 83. At patuloy ang pagkakagulo, ibang klase, Dr. J, ang ipinakitang karakter at least dito ng kupunan ng Gordons. They came back at Anthony, hinahatak namin si Coach Sonny Jaworski. Anthony.
Yun na, ready na yata.
Well, Coach, una sa lahat, congratulations. Coach, ano ba yung nagawa mo para ma-motivate mo talaga yung players para maglaro talaga ngayon?
Well, I guess talagang mga napakasama nung nilaro namin. Di ba? The past 2 games. And even in the free shots, we've missed a big number. So what's important, obviously, is putting our senses together, working together, and minimizing our turnovers. Yun ang importante riyan.
At the same time, Coach, binalik nyo rin yung physical game na kilalang kilala sa Gordons.
Well, defense namin was really bad the past games. They were just going and cruising along. Walang kahirap-hirap. So we said we got to put it together. We got to do something better than the past 2 games.
Well, Coach, you know, a lot of people have been saying, tapos na daw yung series na to, panalo na daw po yung Pure Foods. Finally, with the win here, ano masasabi mo sa mga detractors ninyo?
Well, natural yan eh. Siyempre, 2-0. Gusto nila maging 3. Kami naman gusto namin maging 2-1. Tapos, we will see what we can do from there. But dun sa mga sumusuporta sa amin, sa Gordons, alam niyo po, napaka-importante ng suporta niyo. Don't you worry at we will do and give our best.